fix this 45 going into the main or the drain line here. I'm gonna try to JB weld this. It's gonna be very interesting. I'm just gonna hold up. All right, got that cleaned up, or right around the surroundings on this, and it's time to epoxy the joints and bandage it up. Epoxy is mixed. I'm gonna wait for, as soon as I put the epoxy on the pipe, I'm gonna put water right in there and let that soak for about 10 seconds. All right, we're past the 10-minute mark. Actually, the package just calls for 5 to 7 minutes. I went over, but that's just to be safe. Be safe. Sorry, we'll see how this this is cured. After the bandage is taken out, the wrap stays on there as a strong bond. It says that not to run water through the pipes for until after an hour. All right. A quick look at how this turned out. It's very important to do this job with gloves. This adhesive is like industrial grade. As you can tell, that wrap has literally bonded to the pipe. There's a little bit of slack right there, but the main intent is that joint. And so, all right, there you have it, folks, all the way around. All right, appreciate your likes and subscribes. Best is yet to come. All right, have a blessed day.